The Rojava is a very, very good experience. Is the alternative to nation state, and it's a social contract between the people on the ground, together with all the different groupings, different cultural groupings, different religious groupings, and it might be the solution for the future of the Middle East. One obviously needs to sort of develop the concept further to find out how do you interact with the globalization of the world. So you could have a number of cantons like Rojava, and perhaps they could all get together and they could then decide, right, they are going to work together and they'll have some common issues and common policies on a number of issues which might affect them internationally. But that still needs to be developed and that still needs to be researched. And I think someone from the Kurdish community should in fact do that particular research as how do you develop it to the next level. You've got it at the moment to the basic ground level. How do you go to the next level?
Thank you very much. Please say your name and your post.
I'm Judge Isa Musa from Cape Town. I've been a lawyer for many years and I've been a judge for approximately 15 years and I've retired about 2-3 years ago. And I've been involved with the Kurdish cause just before Abdullah Öcalan got kidnapped and was handed over to the Turkish authorities.
Thank you very much.
Pleasure.
I am Hozan Afrini from the canton of Afrin, Rojava.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And you give my regards to the people from Rojava. I've not had a chance to come to Rojava, but if I have the opportunity, we'll definitely go to Rojava.
Yes.
We'd like to see the experiment there.
Thank you very much. Thank you.